Hi guys, I'm Laura from Contractors Liability. Today, I want to talk to you about how to get fast certificates of insurance if you are a general contractor in Missouri, at a very good price, as well as explain what you're buying. If you're looking for something that protects you, it's not going to be cheap, so you should know everything about the product. Many people are intimidated by insurance as it can be very complex. However, what you're trying to accomplish is very simple. In general, you need a certificate to go to work or to get paid for a job. This is what we do here. We specialize in contractors insurance. Most times, your local agent can only represent 2 or 3 companies to get you the best price. We work with over 15 companies that provide general liability, workers' compensation, and commercial auto insurance through all 50 states. So, if you need a certificate of insurance in Missouri, we are your people. So please give us a chance. To begin, there are in general 4 types of insurance you may need as a general contractor in Missouri. They are very easy to purchase and easy to understand. These are general liability, workers' compensation, commercial auto, and tools coverage, also called inland marine. One is not more or less important than the other. They just cover different needs. General liability insurance. So first, let's introduce the most needed for certificate of insurance, which is general liability insurance. This is most likely the product that you will need first for a certificate of insurance and is 80% of the business we insure. This policy is simply a $1 million coverage if you or your work cause damage to someone else's property or cause bodily harm to someone. The reason your employer or general contractor is demanding it from you is just to take the risk off from his policy and turn it into your responsibility. The policies that offer more coverage are generally for bigger businesses. So, if you are a small business, you may not need as much coverage as a big business because you are not as suable as them. You can buy a cheaper policy that may not offer as much coverage and still get the same certificate to go to work. We can find you a cheaper policy that will give you the ability to fulfill your end of the contract by providing your employer with proof of insurance with a certificate. This is what you are looking for, and that is what we do. We can do it cheap and we can do it fast. 24 hours a day in general and 7 days per week. If you are in Missouri, give us a call and we'll get you the job done for you. Workers' compensation insurance. Next in line of types of insurance, we have workers' compensation insurance. This insurance used to be called the Great Compromise when it was invented back 120 years ago. It was a time where there were huge companies and were very poor people working under horrible conditions. There were many strikes and lawsuits over workers' injuries, so the states passed workers' compensation laws that were put in place to protect the employees if they were hurt at work. The laws stated that if you are injured at work, your general contractor or business owner was required to buy insurance. This means to provide you with 2/3 your income, your health costs covered, and if you are unable to do your job, it also covers your training for the next job. As simple as that. The problem might be that if you are self-employed and you don't have any workers, why do you need to buy insurance for this? This can get a little more complex, and if you are in this situation, call us. We can get you a policy that excludes yourself for around $1,200 per year depending on the state you live in. Again, we write this in almost all states except a few where it is handled by the state government. Call us anyway and we can help you out. Commercial auto insurance. Moving on, let's get into commercial auto insurance. In general, it is just like your personal auto insurance except you have $1 million in coverage versus $1,100 in coverage. If you use your vehicle to go to job in Missouri, you need commercial auto insurance. Luckily, it is not as expensive as personal auto and it is tax deductible. If you're buying personal auto insurance and using your car for business, they can deny a claim because it is excluded in almost all personal insurance policies. The nice thing is, if you need all 3 of these policies for a job, we can do them all. Give us a call. We represent Travelers, Progressive, Nationwide, and as well as many other insurance companies to get you the best policy at the lowest cost. Inland Marine Insurance. Finally, if you are a general contractor, you usually need your tools covered for theft. We all know someone that has had their tools stolen from a site, their garage, or their vehicle. The problem with this is that tools are expensive, and you may need them to do your work. And maybe you may not have $10,000 or more cash on hand to pay for them. If this is the case, you should insure them, and we can do it for only $25 per month. That's money well spent to prevent a really bad day. So guys, we hope you learned something, and we hope you call us or submit the online form for a quote. We promise it will get you fast quotes and at the best price available in Missouri. Thank you for your time and consideration in watching this video. We hope to hear from you soon, and best of luck with your business.